Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Edward once again, and today I'm going to be talking about the email signatures. Well, I got one inquiry from one of my followers from US. He's by names of Robert J. Calkins, and he said, Edward, please help me out. I need to make an email signature in Gmail. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through these quick steps of how to make a signature in Gmail. Alright, I'll head over to my browser here. And 1 second, I was trying out something here. Okay, so basically what you do here, you have to click on the settings. I've already opened my Gmail. Hope you guys know how to load Gmail. You have to type in the address bar www.gmail.com, and it will bring the login screens. You log in and then head to your mail. So I'm thinking you already know that step. So let me just take you straight out to the signatures, how to make the signature. Now what we shall do here, once your window is open, on the top right, down here below the thumbnail, you click on this icon of settings. Then it will bring a drop down where we have display density, configure inbox, settings, themes and blur. I'll click on settings because that's where I want to go. And then from this point, once this one also opens, scroll down. Okay, scroll down, there is one tab which says signature, and then it has two options: no signature. If you say no signature, there won't be any signature. If you say yes, then you'll have to put your signature. So now this is the place where we put the signature. At the moment I already have one, which is thanks, hope to hear from you soon, my name, my company, and my mobile number, and then the place where I am. So it depends on how you want to lay it out. And then my other companies, which is Editech, Afrisel, Attain Work, and Traflight. So what do you do here? Let me just try to type something so that we can see it practically how it looks there. Here, let's say, let us pretend I don't have a signature. So I will say my regards. Okay, Edward Sevume, which is my name. Okay, and then my mobile number, right? And then sometimes my website, okay, www.xyz.com. So it means whenever you will be making a new mail, it will simply append itself on that mail. You don't need to type it over and over again. So it is just one time. Now let us try to save this one and then see what is going on. Let us try to see what is going on. Okay, so now I'm saving this part. Let's see, save. Now when we click on compose, let's try to make a new mail and then see what comes out. Click on compose. Yeah, so you see it will be right here. Now what you do, you have to, it always come out like this. You just have to write your mail here, your message here, and then send. It is as simple as that. So please subscribe for more videos. I'll be sending a lot of tutorials on these simple things, because they normally slow down our processes. You want to do something quick but you don't know how to do it. So I'm going to make a series of them. Just make sure you don't miss out on them. Thank you very much. This is Edward. I'll remove this. Yeah, I'll remove it later anyway. Anyway, let me remove it right now because I already have one. So I'll go back to settings and then please quickly. Then down here, signatures. I remove this. Okay, and then save. And that is all. It's as simple as that. Okay, so please allow me to end this video here.